How to change hair colour in Photoshop. Let's get into it. Select your layer and then come over to the toolbar and select the quick selection tool. Start painting over the hair of your subject with this tool. You can hold in Shift to undo parts where it's overpainted. Continue refining this until you have a decent selection. It doesn't have to be 100% perfect. Once you're happy with the selection, choose Select and Mask. Come over to View and change this to On White. You can adjust the opacity of this so that we can see what we're working with. And then click Refine Hair. If this hasn't done a great job for you, we can come over to the Refine Edge Brush tool. Using the plus and minus, we can paint in and out areas around our subject. So in the plus mode, I'm going to go around the hair to ensure that all the wispy bits are included in this selection. Once that's done, we can come over to the brush tool and then use this tool to start painting in and out areas that should and shouldn't be in our mask. Using the minus brush, we can remove, and using the plus brush, we can add. We can also increase the opacity of the view mode so that we can see what we're working with a little bit better. Once you're done refining, come down to Output 2, Selection, and then choose OK. Next, click on the folder to create a group, and then create a mask of this group. With the group selected, choose Adjustment Layer, and then create a new Selective Color Adjustment Layer. In the properties, we want to change the colors to neutrals. Adjusting these sliders will change the color of the hair. Play around with these colors until you have the color that you want for your hair. And that's all there is to it.